I'm recording that.
Oh.
Well, g'day guys and girls. Welcome back to Ful-O Gold. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're
Not new, welcome.
If you're not new, welcome. As you can hear, I have special guest, lovely wife Jordan, or Mrs. Ful-O Gold now. And we're just out having a little bit of a detect with the 6000. Having a good time. She has found her first target, and I'll just flip you around here. As with all things, when you're starting off, it takes a little bit of time to learn the ropes. So we got this target out, haven't we?
Yep.
Yeah.
Got it out of the hole.
Got it out of the hole.
And into the fire.
Okay, so sounded like a nice target. I'll just drop you down here. And we went and got some coffees too, because I'm lovely. I'm nice like that, aren't I? I'm a nice husband. And we've dug down about, what do you say, about 4 inches so far. And we're into this, okay. And we're into this sort of clayish sort of area, and it's around about here somewhere. Now I reckon that might actually be it right there. What does that look like to you? That was the camera, by the way. Oh, she's got it. You want to just wave that scoop over the coil?
Maybe not.
Yeah, can you hear that?
Yeah, a bit.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah. So, do you want to just put that dirt on the coil? Now, you can actually see that bit of lead right there.
Oh, it's lead.
Yeah, a bit of birdshot. Now,
That's
what I do is I usually just go like this.
Yeah.
To, you know, and then you listen to the audio. So you go over that little line there. See how it went out? Yeah. Oh, she just rolled off it.
It's fine, I got it.
You got it? And there we go. Your first bit of...
But there were 2 targets in here.
There was, yes. There
so
was another
one
target over there.
Somewhere.
Yeah.
It might be another one, but
yeah, I would say it is, yeah.
else.
Because we dug down deeper for that target, I'm going to say that other target was lead. Yeah. You want to just hold that up for the boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen?
The folks at home.
The folks at home. The results of your hard labour.
Yes.
You want to just hold it like this, like in between your fingers. Hold it up. Look at that. Ooh, there we go. So it isn't gold, but it could have been gold.
I still want to see what that is.
You still want to see what that one is?
Just
I
in
don't
case.
reckon. Okay, well, the missus wants to dig another bit of lead.
One day I'll have enough for a whole pencil.
A whole pencil. Oh, okay, all right. I was thinking maybe a sinker, but
A sinker.
yeah. All right. Well, we'll dig that one up, eh? Let's see what it is. So, you never know. But Aussie adventures.
Time to hit the road.
All right. Thank you, guys. See you on the next one. Okay, guys. So, lovely Miss Jordan has something to say.
Target 2.
Target 2.
Take 2.
Take 2. Okay. So we had another target on the side of this little pothole here, and we gave it a scrape with a pick, and now it's roughly around about here. Now, lovely Jordan, Mrs. Jordan, has volunteered to pinpoint this one for us. So I have the headphones on. I'll tell her when to go. So, yep. So no target in that one. Put that back in the hole. Maybe I will zoom in a little. Yep, try that. Yep, no joy. Yeah, try that clump. Doesn't appear to be in that one either. So just put that in the hole. Give it a bit of a wriggle just to try and flatten the heap out in the scoop. Okay, not in that one either. Okay, so we'll do a quick reset.
Oh, a worm.
A worm? Oh. You're not hungry, are you?
No.
Yeah, you want to do a close up. The coil's going to go off.
Worm.
Oh, there we go. Worm. There we go. You can go fishing soon, couldn't you? You got some lead. You can make some sinkers. And you got some bait. Hey. We're having fun, guys. Doesn't matter if we're not finding gold.
I like finding bugs too.
You like, yeah. Okay, so see the sticker on the coil?
Yes.
I think it's just over the top there. So try and
Here?
yeah, so try and get a flat scoop. You might need to use your hands. Yeah. Okay, now. Okay, not in that one either. So what might be happening here is the bit of gold or lead, whatever it may be, might be sitting just on top of this previous undug bit of ground. So what you need to do is get the edge of the scoop, try and scrape it in one flat sort of motion to try and pick up the target.
Okay.
And you might need to put a bit of downward pressure on it. Yeah. Yeah, so you can see how she's now scraped the undug ground, and then, yep, just a bit of a scoop with the other hand. Okay, now just roll the scoop on the other way, just so, yeah, so it doesn't appear to be in there again, so. Okay, so that's picking up my phone. Okay, so it appears to have gone. Oh, there's a target. One target. Okay, so what I think might have been was a bit of ground noise potentially. No, it's actually still there. So it's in here now.
Okay.
Yeah, in here.
Okay.
Yeah, I looked like a bit of a fool then because I think the camera was actually, the coil was picking up the camera then. So, yeah, not there. Try again. Oh, there she goes. You got it. Okay, so don't tip it out just yet. So take it off the coil. Okay, actually, I just want to show the viewers something. Now you can, when it's in your scoop, the target's in your scoop, you can get a rough idea whereabouts the target is. So as you know, there's this ring here. That's the most sensitive part of the coil, roughly. And if you go like that, see there's no, oh, it was a caterpillar or a bug. Yeah, I got your rings there.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I'm trying to give everyone a tip, you know. And mosquitoes. Yeah, so I'm waving roughly about that much of a scoop over the coil, and there's only just picking something up when it gets to about there. So there's probably not a target in there, it's more back there. So that's a little bit of a tip where you can kind of find out where it is. Now, would you like to do the honours?
Yes.
Okay.
I will do.
Yes. If this is gold, I will be very happy for you. Yeah.
I will be happy too.
Okay, so just do a quick wave over the coil, because sometimes gold can stick to the scoop.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't hear any audio
Okay.
on that one. Do you reckon I should put the loudspeaker on so you can hear it?
Yeah. If you
Yeah.
want.
Okay. All right. Loudspeaker.
If it won't be weird though. Like if it won't make the.
Okay. Oh yeah, loudspeaker gets a bit staticky.
Yeah.
Or not staticky, like.
Go away. Mosquito.
Yeah.
Hey, it's on you. Get it.
Yeah, it's fine. I'll only die. It's alright. I had my weekend in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be fine. Oh,
Can-
grub.
Oh, grub. Can you remember the way I told you how to...
You go over the.
Yep. So it's a process. Process or process?
Either way.
Either way.
Either either.
Either, right? Yeah. Yeah, see, that's actually EMI.
Just the
Yeah,
interference.
so there's no, that's fine. There's no target in there. So you want to...
Oh, like that.
Okay, so you heard that?
Yeah. Oh.
Ooh. So you can confidently say that all of this has nothing in it. It's what's left is this little bit there. So would you like to do the honours?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you find this target?
Ooh, a tiny spider.
Oh,
It's cute.
yeah.
Why are there so many bugs in this video?
I don't know, because we're out in the bush.
Probably.
Anyway,
That
guys,
makes
I hope we're
sense.
not boring you, but we're having fun, aren't we? Oh, so just go back.
Mosquito!
Ah! So I think I got him. Okay,
No, you didn't, but oh well.
okay. So that one's once you've checked it, you can flick that bit off, so you're not. Yep. And all you're doing is just nothing in that. So all you're doing is it's a process of elimination. So a bit like gold panning, you pan off the heavies. Okay, so there was something there. And I think I can see it. See right at the tip. Can you see it?
Where?
No, on my side.
Here?
Yeah. Yep, that was it.
Oh.
And that is the tiniest bit of lead, tiniest bit of bird shot. Yeah. Which didn't surprise me actually, because yeah, maybe we'll do the labours of your hard work, huh?
Give me the jar.
Give you the jar. Oh, okay, all right, here you go. It's all right. It's got no gold in it, so you can have it. Yeah. There we go. All right, guys. So a bit of a long video, but it's all fun. 2 thumbs up. Yeah. We get a selfie.
5 stars.
5 stars. Oh, here you go.
You could
There you
just
go.
turn the camera around before you do
Yeah,
it.
but I can't do that without starting another clip. So
Oh.
yeah. As you can see, Mr. and Mrs. Ful-O Gold out here enjoying the bush.
Spring
Spring
day.
Yep.
It was sunny
It
just
was.
before.
Oh, it was a bit of. Yeah, I'll turn you around.
It's a bit of cloud cover.
Bit of
but
cloud cover, bit of blue sky. There we go, blue sky. And
Lots of eggs and bacon.
lots of eggs and bacon.
See?
Mm. It doesn't taste like it though. She told me it tastes like eggs and bacon.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Depends how you cook it.
Yeah, I'm sure if you actually sprinkle it on actual eggs and bacon.
Yeah, you probably wouldn't notice.
You wouldn't
too
notice
much.
it? No. Okay. As you can see, we are the dynamic duo. And things are coming along, guys. There was no gold, but there was plenty of gold moments. Cringe. Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for checking out our video. And yeah.
See you next time on Ful-O Gold.
She likes the kookaburra in my intro, outro. I know some of you don't. Okay, guys.
I like it.
She likes it. Okay. Stop.
Sorry.
Stop holding up the viewers. Okay. Peace out.
Peace out.